Hello friends, welcome again. In today's lecture, we will learn about the condition formatting. It is one of the very useful function in Excel, and it helps in highlighting the things, numbers or cell, which will help managers and professionals to make decisions. For example, your sales team has reported some numbers regarding the sale of a car, the products, and you want to see the some top numbers and some low numbers as well. If you're going to see through each number, it is going to take a lot of time. So conditional formatting in here helps in identifying the which are the top sales numbers and which are the low sales numbers. So we will see an example how it can be done using the conditional formatting. Let's go to Excel sheet. Let's generate some numbers, some random numbers using random function. Okay, as a manager of a company, I want to see what are the numbers who have sales greater than 800 units. So I will select the numbers, go to the home. Here the conditional formatting is shown. So where this option will highlight it here, the highlight cells rules, top and bottom rules, data bars, color scale, icon, set. So we will go through each of them one by one. Let's understand what is conditional formatting, how it is going to the conditional formatting. Like I want to see the greater than the units which were sold greater than 800. How many are they? So the greater than 800 we are talking about, and numbers we can fill it. We can fill with yellow, we can fill it with light red fill, or we can customize it using the custom format. Here we can go to fill and I will highlight in yellow. Okay, so okay and okay. So how it is simple to show the sales number which are greater than the 800. So okay. And if your manager want to see the low sales number below the 100 or suppose 200, how it can do that? First of all, we need to clear the rules here, or we can also superimpose that rule in this table as well. So let's superimpose it, highlight cell, and let's take it less than 200, and let's custom format with the red cell. Okay. So now manager can see both the numbers whose sale is less than 200 and the numbers whose sale is greater than 800. So in this way, the managers can go back to his sales team and highlight that why the sales is low and why the sales is higher, and accordingly can make his decision much better. Now let's do more exercise for much better understanding of the conditional formatting. Okay, here the first exercise is highlight all the values greater than 7. So similarly, so we need to highlight any number which is greater than 7. So let's select the number, go to the home, conditional formatting, highlight cell greater than 7, and let's fill it with yellow. Okay, and also we can change its font number as well. We can make it bold and bold italic, and fill it with the yellow border. If you want to highlight the border as well, you can do it. The outline black. Okay, now click OK. See So the numbers which are greater than 7 is highlighted here. Okay, it can be done with it. Now let's do the another exercise. Here in this table, value table, we need to highlight the numbers whose value is between the 0 and 2. Okay, so first of all, let's select these numbers. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cells between 1 and you can either put the 0 here and 2 here, or you can give the reference here as well. The reason of giving the referencing is because if you later on, if you want to change the numbers, this number, you can automatically go there and just import the number, and you don't need to do anything else of related to a conditional formatting. It will okay. Customer format, I want to fill it with green and I want to border it. Font should be bold. Okay, and okay. See, no number is between the 0 and 2, so it is not highlighted. Now if I change it to 2 and value 4, see, it has highlighted the numbers which are between the 2 and 4. So that's why I was referring to referencing, how useful it is to change it. Okay, and if suppose I put it 3, change it, value is changing. Now I put it 1, it's changing here. Okay, so you're getting the idea about how to use the conditional formatting. Now let's do another exercise. In this exercise, you want to highlight the dates which are greater than 26 November 21 with green color, dates between 20 November and 25 November blue with blue, and dates with less than 19 November with red. Okay, first of all, let's select the whole number, conditional formatting, highlight cell greater than 26th November with the green color. Custom format, fill, green color. Okay. Okay. Now you want to highlight the dates which is between 20 November and 25 November. Let's impose the rules here. Conditional formatting, highlight cell between 20 November and 25th November. With blue. And the last one is less than 19 November. You can do it again. Let's select the, okay, I have not selected the table. First of all, select it, less than 19th November. With red one. Okay, so see how simple is it. If you want to remove this conditional formatting rule from the cell, from the sheet, how you can do it? Just go to the conditional formatting, clear rules, clear the rules from the selected cell. Like I have selected this one, it will clear the rules from it. If you want to clear the rules from entire, we need to click this one. So I will not remove the from entire sheet. I will just remove the rules from the selected cell. Okay, see, the conditional formatting is not more applicable here. Okay, now let's do the another exercise for more for understanding conditional formatting. Now I will remove the rules from here, entire sheet. Okay. Now this is the sales data of a 4-week sale of the item SKU items. So, and if you want to see by seeing the numbers, we will not able to understand how much is the sale, everything. So if by using the conditional formatting, it is much easier to understand it, what was the sale, what was the trend, everything else. So for the first of all, just select the data, go to conditional formatting and select the data bars. You can select this one, you can select this one, select this one, this one, this one, this one, anything, this one as well, this one as well, this one. I will select this one. Okay. So you can see that the sales of the items of the 4-week for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and so you can compare it. From item 1, the sale was on Monday 693, for sales were down, was little bit down, and then sale increased little bit higher, then little bit higher, it was picking up. And you can see the sale for item 2 on the Thursday was very high and initially it was low. See, by seeing this, you can draw some inference and make some judgment, and you can also remove this number as well. You can also hide this number as well. Just select the sheet and table, go to the manage rule. You can see in the manage rule, go to edit rule. In the edit rule, you can see that format style data bar. You can just remove the numbers. You can just click it, show bar only, and click OK. Then click OK. The numbers has been removed. Okay. So how nice it is highlighting all the numbers. Let's remove these numbers. Conditional formatting, clear it from the entire sheet, and let's select it again. Go to the home, select conditional formatting. You can use this color scale as well to highlight the colors, and you can see what rules were applied here. Okay. Now you can see what rules were applicable here in this highlighting of the colors. Now if you want to, this color which lowest value should be red, click red. If you want with the midpoint percentile, you can change it. The color should be yellow, you can change it, and which your highest value should be blue, you can change it. Okay, this value also you can change percentile. Okay, let's apply it. Now see, the manager can see that the sales of blue highlights the highest number of sales, with red show the low sales, and green one is, yellow one is the average one. So it is very beneficial for the managers to just by seeing the colors, how things are there, whether it is improving or not, can be applicable. And I think I suggest you just clear the rules and go back and use this color scale and data bars to do all this exercise. So it will, by practicing it, you will learn a lot. Now let's go to another exercise. Okay, I will first of all remove all the rules from the sheet. Clear rules. Done. Now in this table, the employee name has been given and certain task has been given to each employee. Okay, for like in day 1, the Ankit 1 is the employee who has done 5 tasks. In day 2, 3 tasks has been given. He has completed 3 tasks. In day 3, he has completed 4 tasks. Okay, so end of the week, manager wants to see how many people have done total tasks. So he do the summation here and see it. So the managers can figure it out very easily, who is doing the job better, who is not completing the job, and what is the problem they are facing. He can discuss it later on after seeing the report. But if you are talking about the more than 100 employees or 200,000 employees, so it will be very difficult for him to go through each number. So here conditional formatting can be very helpful in highlighting the low performer and high performer. So see how it can be done. First of all, select this range, go to conditional formatting. I will select the icon here. Okay, 3 arrow icon. This less modified according to our requirement. Edit rule. Okay, the icon is there. If it is up arrow when the value is less than 67, and this is the right arrow when the value is between 33 and less than 67, and low arrow when value is less than 33. Okay, now I want to change it to 50, 75% and 50%. Okay, and I will show only icons only. Okay, then I will click it. Okay, so you can see the Ankit 1 is a good performer, but Ankit 2 is performing very badly. So he can call Ankit 2 and Ankit 3 and the other downward trends arrow employee to his office and ask what was the reason they are not able to complete the task. And so see how it is conditional formatting helping them to do their task. And now this completes our lecture on the conditional formatting. I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you and have a nice day.